Important points to remember while preparing for IELTS. 1. Familiarize yourself with the exam format. The IELTS exam consists of 4 modules: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. It is important to understand the format of each module, the types of questions, and the time allotted for each section. 2. Improve your English language skills. To do well on the IELTS exam, you need to have a strong grasp of the English language. Focus on improving your vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Practice reading and writing in English, and try to speak and listen to English as much as possible. 3. Take practice tests. Taking practice tests is essential to get familiarized with the exam structure and the types of questions you can expect. This will also help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and focus on areas that need improvement. 4. Manage your time effectively. The IELTS exam is time-bound, so it's important to manage your time effectively during the exam. Practice completing tasks within the given time limits to improve your time management skill. 5. Focus on your weakest areas. Identify your most vulnerable areas and focus on improving them. For example, if you struggle with writing, focus on improving your grammar, sentence structure, and organization. 6. Use authentic resources. Use resources such as newspapers, magazines, podcasts, and TV shows to improve your listening and reading skills. This will also expose you to different accents, vocabulary, and grammar structures. 7. Stay calm and focused during the exam. Try to stay calm and focused during the exam, and don't let nerves get the best of you. Take deep breaths and read instructions carefully before answering questions. Remember, the key to success on the IELTS exam is to practice consistently and work on improving your language skills. And yes, don't forget to consult Niche's Net, the specialist, for personalized training modules and guidance.